everyone, welcome back to my channel today. My name is Megan or Meggy, and I am super duper excited to be playing along this month with Sandy in her Follow a Sketch February series. So I'm not going to do every single layout this month. I wish I had that much time, but I just don't. But I think I've picked out about 10 or more sketches that I'm going to play along with. So today's sketch, you will have seen before I started my video, but it calls for 3 photos. And in the sketch, it wants them to be square. Well, my photo, I have 2 of them that are 3x4s and 1 that's a square. But for me, that's totally okay. It doesn't bother me to switch up the sketch like that. So I am going to start pulling from my For the Love of Homemade kit for this layout. And I think this is actually the second or third layout I made with this kit. So I'm not showing you the kit layouts in order. I apologize about that. Once again, I'm sorry. I'm still getting used to my new setup. My camera is a lot closer to me than it used to be. So anyway, here you can see I am just cutting down these different papers to put behind the photos. This sketch was so much fun. I absolutely loved it. And I have 2 friends that do sketch challenges back to back. So February is Sandy's month that she does Follow a Sketch February every year. And then Christy does 30 days of sketches. She does it like 3 times a year, but March is definitely always the time of year that I try to participate. And I think mainly that's because March is my YouTube anniversary. I started in March of 2014. And so usually I try to play along with Christy's whole month. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes too. But for now, this is day number 1 for Follow a Sketch February. And this sketch is so awesome. So here you can see I'm going to start gluing down all the papers. So to the right of this bottom paper, I can't remember if it was like some mixed media or there was something on the right hand side. And what I decided to do was pull in this yellow piece of washi tape because I had started my kit or I made sure that my kit had washi tape in it. And so it was super exciting to use washi tape on this layout. I think this is the first layout that I use it on. And yeah, it's just really exciting to me because I don't use washi tape a lot. So yeah, here you can see I just was inking the edges with my little ink dauber, and I was using Close to My Heart Raspberry, and that is just, it's kind of like a dark pink color, and it just really helps the patterns pop off of that background pattern. So now I am moving on to the title. This sketch came together so fast. I think I finished this layout in like 30 minutes, maybe 35 minutes. And I think the only reason it took that long was because of the title. Like I had a hard time deciding on the title and all that. So Mark actually came in to watch me for a little bit. And so I was kind of just talking and chatting with him. Because I could not think of a title. And so he kind of helped me with the title. So here I was going through all of the embellishments that I have in my homemade kit. And for this kit, I put in the ephemera collection from Paige Evans. It was from Turn the Page. And Turn the Page had a lot of these start here little ephemera pieces. And I was like, oh my God, that would work so amazing on this layout because the reason I gave like this layout is all about Piper loving to get muddy. And so I gave her a bath because she got so muddy and she was wearing a sweater. And I let her outside. And then when I let her back in, the sweater, and you can see the sweater is the very top photo where it says start here. It's pointing at the sweater. It was so muddy, and that was like so perfect. That was the most perfect embellishment ever. And so I was super excited about that. So I was able to use that finally, because I think I have like 3 of those start here little ephemera pieces in this kit still, because I never know where to use them. So this was perfect. Like I said, Mark helped me out with the title. So I was missing the letter S, and Mark wanted me to name the layout Muddy and Sudsy or something like that. Muddy and then Sudsy or something, you know, to point out she was muddy, and then we gave her a bath, and now she's not. She's clean, right? So I was like, yeah, but I don't have any S's. So then he was like, well, what about Mud About You? Because we're mad because she got all muddy, and oh, excuse me. And then we have to give her a bath, and even though she needs a bath, it's just kind of like one of those things like, seriously, like, I wasn't planning on doing this right this second, but you kind of have to because she's all muddy. So I thought that that was an amazing title. Also, I grew up watching Mad About You. So yeah, I was like, definitely that has to be the title. So Mud About You is the title, and I just absolutely love how this layout turned out. So I am gluing down the thickers right now because they are American Craft thickers, and they never stay put when they are the cardboard ones. What are those called? What are they called? Oh my gosh. You know what I mean. Chipboard. Yes. They never stay down. It's only the foam ones that stay. It's so weird. No one knows why. Anyway, so I was gluing those down using my almost gone Tombow adhesive. I like to use the clear adhesive. I don't remember what it's called. Guys, I'm sorry, my brain is not here right now. But yeah, anyway. So now here I'm going to bring in more of the embellishments. And in this ephemera pack, Paige had a lot of birds, and I think this other one is a rabbit, and I haven't used them because I don't really scrap about birds or rabbits, and I hate using random embellishments on layouts. But it's not random this time because Piper was more than likely chasing a bird or a squirrel or a bunny or something in our backyard to get this money. And so it worked out so absolutely perfect. Like, this whole layout, I am seriously just so excited about. If you can't even tell in my voice, like, just know. I'm so excited about this layout, and I'm probably going to rave about it for 100 years. So, yeah, it's definitely one of my favorites that I've made in the last week or so. And I'm so excited to be sharing it with you today. Make sure you run on over to Sandy's channel, and she will probably have a list of everybody that's joining her, maybe, possibly. But thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye!